full front end, full hood, full fenders, headlights, full bumper, side mirrors. We already treated, we clayed it, we did everything possible we can.
Perfect.
We got a little bit of a head start yesterday. We ended up washing down the car, wiping it, and then doing the clay, which is just to remove any contamination on the paint to have a nice smooth surface to apply the film. We do also clean all the edges with 99% alcohol just to remove any sealant, any wax, any stuff that they use to maybe detail it or maintain it.
As you can see, we trimmed. This is not a final trim. This is final, about to wrap. So we're gonna open the hood. We're gonna use stacking solution, and we're gonna let it rest. Next, we're gonna be doing our fenders. For the fenders, we'll do headlights. As you can see here on this on the screen, we're gonna do driver, passenger, gonna do a right left headlamps, and obviously fog lights as well. opinion, also doing in from the patterns versus a full bumper all in cut. But again, I want to bring it up to the people, the owners of the Teslas, where sometimes you hit, let's say, this part, right? You get some chip, or you scrape that clear box instead scraping at the color. So it's easier to replace just partially. We did an Ultimate Plus paint protection. As you can see, it would be in this package. Self-healing, has 10-year warranty for discoloration, stain, resistant, and yeah, 10-year warranty. Covers by insurance. Most insurance covers. That's very important for some people. They say it's a lot. That the product is definitely do work. Definitely worth it, I think. Hi, I'm G from SoCal Tint Shop in Riverside, California, 2025 Chicago Avenue, Suite A1. We on Chicago between Spruce and Columbia in Riverside, California. We do offer window tinting and paint protections films for automotive. We do carry Xpel products. We one of our authorized dealers in Riverside. Our shop number is 951-455-1313. Please, yeah, give us a call. If you guys need any services as far as window tinting and paint protection, give us a call.